He's fucking awake already. Oh god.
Time. Plastic cracker.
I swear to God, you make one more noise. Make one more noise. I swear to God.
Oh, okay. My bad, twin. My bad. Here, let me show you. I did some modifications while you were asleep.
On the van.
This is the sweatshop.
Uh,
My bad. The workshop.
uh, like triangle scheme or pyramid scheme. My bad. My bad.
Yes, like pyramid scheme, but for the locals.
What the?
Then
Oh, cause yeah, you got
for
a
the
big
local.
local. You got a big locals problem.
You see, this house had a few extra parts.
Oh
So
yeah.
I'm just going to start installing some things now.
Oh okay.
Like
What kind of stuff do you have
things.
to install?
This CD player. So we aren't lonely on
Wait,
the trip.
I have just the thing
You do?
in my room. I have a CD. If I can get it, hold on. It's under the table. Did you knock my table over again while you were
Like
having your
I
you were
was a
having your
little hungry
you were
last.
having your retard sleepwalk? You
Do
like
you like how I sleep?
you make really weird sounds and then like run around and like break stuff.
Yes. Alright, get in the back.
Oh,
Make sure you close the doors too.
okay.
Don't need that. Don't need that. Alright. You close the door, right?
Yep.
Back doors?
Uh-huh.
Huh? They're running at 7 frames per second? Oh my diddly gosh. You don't fucking revert.
I don't think your purple van likes reversing very much.
Ah,
Um the doors were shut, I promise. I think it'll probably be safe to stand up in the van, right?
probably.
Probably. It's very dark in here.
I know. I haven't found the lights
Oh,
yet.
oh,
I should be what?
the doors like swung open and like threw me out. Purple knob, you left me on the side of the road. Oh,
A sitting, please.
oh, oh God. Yo, you're gonna hit me. Oh. So are we just going for like a joyride again?
I guess we are. We're just looking for Dax or any
Yeah,
locations about his whereabouts.
we gotta find Dax again because he wasn't at Street Life like we thought he would be.
Yeah. You see, this car goes very fast. I like it very much.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna. Uh,
Oh, oh. You know, I think
my back. My back.
I think my yellow superpower might just be to survive the car crashes you cause.
Not my fault. They're black. All my life.
What did you just do?
Okay. You stay here. I'm getting a call. Hold on.
Okay. I'll just like start repairing the van or something, I guess.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Oh God,
oh,
why is he so
oh.
loud
I
over
see.
there?
I see.
He's like one of the people that talk really loudly when they're on a
Uh.
call.
Oh. Oh. Okay. I understand. Yeah, we have a new one. Yeah.
What the hell is
Yeah.
he
Okay.
talking about over here?
Okay. I understand, sir.
God damn, he talks really loud. Look how far away he is. He talks so freaking loud when he's on the phone. Holy.
Boy, you're coming with me. You're going to be the only person in the purple people cult. You are the only yellow person, and we're going to war with the Street Lifians. We just
So
need
like
to
the
drive there first.
so like the Black Knobs, we're going to war with them.
Yeah. Just get in
So
the
it's
car. I'll explain on the way.
you're missing some stuff over here. So
No,
it's
we don't
basically
need much.
it's like you said with because they started remaking your serum,
The serum.
your
They
purple
made
the purple knob serum. So and
yeah,
they were in
they
prison.
tried
They were trying to like make a fake copy, and so
Yeah.
now because you smuggled all of it, you're going to war.
Yeah, except like they made one out of bullets or bullet casings. Somehow they made it like they made like a version where you inhale it instead of like shove it in your body, in your
Oh.
veins.
Oh god, so it's like crack.
Yeah.
Oh.
Which they didn't use the right formula, so there's still a bunch of flaws about theirs, but we're going to war.
Oh. Do you think because I'm yellow, right? And I'm gonna fight with the purples, and yellow's kind of neutral.
Stay in the car.
Do you think
That'd be
because
very helpful.
do you think because I'm a yellow that like the other yellows might join in and help the purples?
I believe so.
Okay. We can only hope, right?
Yes. We can only hope.
What are you?
Like, don't look back here. I have a way to get there really fast. Okay, be ready. Be very ready.
Oh god.
We're about to go really fast. Like, just like, move. Okay, there we go. Okay, make sure you do not go flying out the back, because now we are officially missing one of our back doors.
Oh, okay. What are you tinkering with? Oh god.
No. And the parking brake's on, right?
I think so. Oh god. Oh god. Not again.
It's a one-way trip from here.
Oh shoot. Oh god.
Make it off the road.
Oh god.
God. Yellow knob, we're going to war with the black knobs.